Hello everyone, welcome back to LearnSyte, your destination for learning artificial intelligence, machine learning, and emerging technologies. In today's lesson, we'll explore LangChain, one of the most important frameworks in modern AI application development. By the end of this video, you'll understand what LangChain is, why it matters, how it works, and how it powers real-world AI applications. Let's get started. LangChain is an open-source framework designed to help developers build applications using large language models. Rather than relying on an AI model alone, LangChain connects language models with external data sources, APIs, databases, memory systems, and workflows. Think of LangChain as the operating system that coordinates all the moving parts of an AI application. Many AI assistants, customer support bots, research assistants, and document chat systems use LangChain behind the scenes. A language model by itself can generate text and answer questions, but it has limitations. Without LangChain, an AI model cannot remember previous conversations, access company databases, search external information, or perform business actions. LangChain solves these challenges by connecting AI models with real-world tools and data sources, making applications more useful, intelligent, and practical. Let's examine the LangChain workflow. First, the user submits a question. Next, LangChain receives and processes the request. Then, retrieval mechanisms search relevant knowledge sources such as vector databases, documents, websites, APIs, and structured databases. The retrieved information is sent to the language model along with the user prompt. Finally, the model generates a response and delivers it back to the user. This workflow enables accurate, context-aware answers. Imagine an e-commerce company handling thousands of customer inquiries every day. A customer asks, "Where is my order?" LangChain receives the request and determines that order information is needed. It then connects to the company's database, retrieves the relevant details, and passes that information to the AI model. The model generates a personalized response, and the customer receives an accurate real-time answer. In this scenario, LangChain acts as the coordinator between the user, the AI, and the business systems. LangChain consists of several important building blocks. Models generate responses. Prompts provide instructions to guide model behavior. Chains connect multiple operations into structured workflows. Memory stores conversation history and context. Retrieval fetches information from external documents and databases. Agents enable AI systems to make decisions and dynamically use tools. Together, these components create powerful AI applications. To better understand LangChain, think of a restaurant. The AI model is the chef who prepares the food. Databases, APIs, and tools are the kitchen resources that provide ingredients. LangChain is the waiter who coordinates everything, taking the customer's order, communicating with the kitchen, collecting the food, and delivering it back to the customer. This simple analogy helps explain how LangChain orchestrates complex AI workflows. LangChain powers many real-world applications. These include intelligent chatbots, document question answering systems, customer support automation, AI-powered search engines, research assistants, enterprise knowledge management platforms, and multi-agent AI systems. Its flexibility makes it valuable across industries and use cases. LangChain sits at the center of the modern AI stack. It connects language models, external APIs, databases, memory systems, tools, agents, and end users. By bridging these components together, LangChain transforms a standalone language model into a complete production-ready AI platform. For software engineers and AI professionals, understanding LangChain is becoming an essential skill. It enables developers to build applications that interact with live data, coordinate complex workflows, and integrate multiple tools and services. As AI adoption continues to grow, LangChain remains one of the most widely used frameworks for real-world AI development. To summarize, LangChain transforms standalone language models into complete AI application platforms. It connects models with memory, databases, tools, APIs, and workflows to solve real-world problems. Thank you for watching this LearnSyte educational video. If you found this lesson helpful, please support the channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more content on artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and emerging technologies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.